students, welcome you all to the video lecture on chapter number 7 comparing quantities exercise 7.2 question number 3. The question is Arun bought a pair of skates at a sale where the discount given was 20%. If the amount he pays is rupees 1600, find the marked price. So they have given that sale price is rupees 1600 and discount percentage is given by 20%. Okay, so we have to calculate marked price. Okay, so what is the relationship between sale price, marked price and discount? We know that discount is given by marked price minus sale price. So we need to find out the marked price. Okay, so keep marked price in one side, other two terms to the another side. So marked price is given by discount plus sale price. Okay, so this minus, when it goes to left hand side, it becomes plus, right? So marked price is given by discount plus sale price. And again, sale price we know, okay, discount percentage we know, but marked price we don't know, that we have to find out. So before proceeding, let me find out what is discount. So discount is given by, we know that discount percentage is discount divided by marked price into 100%, right? So discount is given by discount percentage into marked price divided by 100. Okay, so what is the discount percentage? Discount percentage is 20% into what is the marked price? I don't know. Okay, so let marked price is equal to x. Okay, so x divided by 100. So discount is given by 20x by 100. Okay, so that we are going to use in the formula. So now coming to the formula, marked price is equal to discount plus sale price. Okay, so what is marked price? Marked price we have assumed it as x. Okay, what is the discount? Discount is given by 20x by 100. What is sale price? Sale price is 1600. Okay, so using this, let me find out what is x, which is, so we need to find out the x here. So let me take x terms to the one side. So x minus 20x by 100, it is equal to 1600. Okay, so the LCM here it is 100. Okay, so 100 into x is nothing but 100x. Here already 100 is there, so nothing to multiply. 20x write as it is, which is equal to 1600. So 100 minus 20x is nothing but 80x divided by 100 is equal to 1600. So x is equal to 1600. Okay, when you take this term to the right side, it will become numerator. This comes to the denominator. So 0, 0 get cancelled. 8 tables when you apply, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 00 you have, right as it is. So 200 into 10 you have in the numerator, which is going to be 2000. Okay, so x is nothing but 2000, which is nothing but marked price. Okay, so in the problem they have asked for the marked price, which is nothing but rupees 2000. Thank you. Thanks for watching.